Hello guys, I am Himanshu from WP Township. Today I will show you step by step how to set up email sending settings in your Woocommerce. Suppose if some customer placed an order or anything, if they want to get any order update, how you can automate all those emails from your Woocommerce setting. Before moving further, if you want to learn basic to advanced WordPress step by step, you can enroll in our WP Mastery course and become part of WP community. Also, you will get 20 plus pre-made WordPress template on different theme developed by us as a bonus. Please like and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to turn on the notification for future updates. So now let's go back to our dashboard, and here I just want to go to this WooCommerce setting. So hover over this WooCommerce and you will find this WooCommerce setting. So click on this WooCommerce setting. In this WooCommerce setting you are going to get this email option, so where you can easily able to create this, click on this email and you can easily able to set a new email over here. As you can see that whenever if you want to get any, if you are getting a new order and you want to get a mail, so these emails where it is recipients is customers, that customer is going to get a mail like whenever customer opens a new account. So you can easily click on this manage option and here you can set it like enable this email notification and what subject you want to give, like your account has been created, so your account and then here this one will be the email heading and what are the additional content over here. So in this way you can set it like if you want to give the email type as HTML or like multi-part or plain text, you can give it, and you can view the template by clicking on this view template. You can view this entire template over here. As you can see that customer new account email, this template can be overridden by copying it your theme. So as you can see now, like to override edit this email template copy, we have to go to this customer new account to your theme folder, then here this one you can customer new account.php and we can change it over from there. So as you can see email type, if I would like to make it like HTML, and then when I will click on this view template, so this is how the template is going to look like. So you can change, like copy the file, copy file to theme, and you can changes, what are the changes you want, and you can set up all the emails. Like whenever you will go to the email, you can like customer invoice or order details. If you want to set a customer invoice or order details, you can like invoice for your order, here it will be order number, and you can give that mail over here, thanks for you shopping over here. What are the content you want to give, you can customize all those content over here. In this email option you will find we have different options like processing of order, order on hold, complete order. Suppose you are marking some order to in processing or order on hold, then that customer will directly get the email from your WooCommerce site. In this way, if you want to add any note to the customer, if you have added any customer note, then that customer is also getting a email from your store that this is a note and everything. Apart from that, here you have seen this integration option where you can like add different integrations for your geolocation and all. So with this in this way you can set up different emails, like what are the emails type you want and what is the email design you want to set up. By easily from this email setting you can easily able to set up it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Before moving further, if you really like this video, please like and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get notification for every new video.